such a fucking hoe, I love it. I just fuck her on the side, and she bitch for me online. For the pussy I would die, every second we on fire.
I know she like it for me. I'm a flyer like Aladdin on a pussy golden blessing. Why she did it? Cause she lying. What we do here is so discreet. If you ask me, I know nothing. She did something on my dick. I know she like it cause she like it.